You're now on step 2 of the Road Patrol Repair Guide. For this step, you're going to need ArcGIS Companion downloaded on your phone. Looks like this app here. Once you've selected it, it'll automatically bring you onto their home screen. The only application that you'll need is the Road Crew Road Patrol Damages web application. To open this, click on the icon, select Open, and use the in-app browser at the bottom of the screen. Simply click X if any pop-ups show up. It is important to remember that to zoom on the app, all you have to do is pinch your fingers together or apart, and to pan, just drag your finger along the screen. We're going to focus on editing different deficiencies logged by the patrol operators. Select the edit icon just under the search bar and a pop-up saying Smart Editor will automatically show up. To edit a specific feature, select the feature using your finger and wait for the pop-up to show up. Your only job is to change the status from incomplete to done. There's a reminder that shows up just in case. It's important to note that there's also a notes option where if you have anything that you wanted to add, you can put it into this bar and your supervisor will be notified. Once the status is changed, click Save at the bottom of this tab to save all of your edits. To exit the Smart Editor, all you need to do is click the X on the right side of the Smart Editor tab and the pop-up will disappear. Mistakes are always common and there's a solution to all of them. If by accident you click on the icon before you click on the Edit tab, simply click the X that shows up on the pop-up to get rid of that. Just remember, step 1, select Edit, and step 2, select the Repair icon. If you accidentally select the wrong icon, just hit Close at the bottom left of the screen. And click X at the top of the Smart Editor pop-up to escape the editing tab. Congratulations, your job is complete.